Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get all the Cryptid hunt skins. So let's just get started. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is, let's start off with an easy one. We're going to get the, we're going to get the Wendigo first, and so let's end the game and, okay. I think I ended the game, and so I'm testing with my brother. I got all of them already, so I'm getting my brother to help me. So let's just let's just wait for the round to be ended. And there's no specific game mode you have to do. It can be any game mode. You just have to have certain maps and do these certain quests. So I think this is the easiest one, and I think it also has a bug in it. Oh, we're doing randomizer. So so let's just say, don't shoot until I say so. Okay, so I'm just talking to my brother. He hasn't got any of the skins, so I'm gonna get him to follow me, and you're going to need to press E on this skull. So press E on skull. Okay, now kill me. So you have to kill someone. You have to do a melee kill, and and you should be able to get it. There was a glitch where if you die while trying to do the quest, you will be able to equip a gun, and I don't know if they fixed that, but so all you have to do is just press E on the skull and then kill someone. And I think you should maybe have like a red transparent screen on you. So let's just end the game and go on the next one. So the next one we're going to do is Hillside. So let's also end this game, and so the game is over. And I'm sorry if it looks like I have a low FPS rate. So my computer is kind of lagging, so let's just so let's wait for the round to be over. So so to the Hillside one is, I think it's the Chupacabra, if I'm saying that correctly. So what you gotta do is,
do not take the L. Win this.
Okay, so we're just gonna do follow me, and so let's just equip my dagger thing. I forgot what this is called. So in Hillside, you're going to have to go through this secret door. So you have to go through this, and I think you're supposed to maybe like press E or do something to the cow, and then I think you gotta get like 3 or 5 kills. So just do, now kill me as much as possible. Okay, so I already got all the skins, like I said. So now he's going to need to kill me as much as he can. So so let's do, should I turn on low gravity to navigate better? Okay, so let's just wait for him to keep killing me. Okay, now kill me. Kill. Okay, so let's turn on low gravity. That way he can navigate through the map better. So you just got to get a certain amount of kills after you do something to the cow. So
bonus ducks.
Tell me when you get the badge. So so we're just gonna keep repetitively do this. We just gotta keep killing people until you get the badge, and that's pretty much how you get this. You go here, you do something to the cow, and then wait, did you get the badge? Okay, so okay. So let's wait for his response. Okay, so okay. Okay, so now he's got it. Okay, so now let's go on to the next map. So this one we're going to be doing, if I can remember, we're going to be doing Safe House. And now we got to end the game. I'm not wait, hold on. Are you able to make it night? I don't think I don't know if you're able to make it night. Ah, dang it, I missed Wild West. That's something I really missed. So let's just wait till it turns night. So the Safe House map is how you get the Bigfoot map. So, oh no, not the Bigfoot map. If I said that, I meant the Bigfoot skin. So we just pretty much have to wait till night. And at night, what we do
will
is
not fail me, alright?
so there's this little house thingy, and at night the lights will turn on, and I guess you gotta shoot something over there, maybe like the glass or any of that. Okay, so let's just do, now let's wait until night. So let's just wait till it's night. So we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting. Okay, so I can see the sun setting, and it's now turning night. So what we do is, okay, so let's just get him to follow me. So only one player has to do this, and then if the player does the quest, then everyone in the server gets the black badge. So you just pretty much, I think you gotta shoot the glass or something. I think I once saw a figure appear, but this is just how you get the Bigfoot skin. Okay. Okay, so it's, I think you got it. So did you? Okay, so that was the Bigfoot thing. You were just supposed to shoot that, I guess. So, and now let's move on to the next one. So let's see, we did. Okay, so let's now do let's now, I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, height frights. So height frights is the next one. This is, I think, yeah, this is the death pack. What I think it's called the death pack. It pretty much gives you 2 demon skins. I think one's a boy and one's a girl skin. So let's just do this, and let's see you in the next map. So yeah, we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now we're going to go into height frights. So once you join,
do not take the L. Win this.
Okay, so let's do. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so okay, that's just use. Okay, so let's do. Press E on every skull you find, and once you got all 5, follow me. Okay. Okay, so there are 5 skulls, and yeah. So there's one over there. Okay, and there's another one in here. Just you follow me if you wanna find them quick. So oh my gosh, my lag. I'm kind of lagging. I don't have the best internet, and yeah. So okay, so yeah, sorry if I have a low FPS. It's just my ping. I hate ping, and yeah, I don't have the best computer, so oh gosh, oh sorry. Didn't see you. Okay, so now he's got that one. Okay, so let's go find another one. And okay, so one of my friends have joined, so I'm trying to remember where oh yeah, it's right here. So okay, so I think that's 4 so far. And now what we're going to do, this is the hardest one to find. I don't think many people see this, but if you haven't, I've only been able to find this because of the Bandites tutorial. But yeah, there's another skull in here. And yeah, so that's all 5. Let's see what he says. And okay, let's wait for his response. And yep, is my wait, no, okay, I'm gonna check if my okay, why is my graphics like that? I'm just gonna okay, okay, so let's just tell him to follow me. And okay, oh, we went, okay, wait, just press E on this, I think it's called a ritual. Okay, so tell me if the skulls appear. Okay, I wrote incorrectly. Okay. Okay, so did you get the badge? Okay, so let's okay, so now let's move on to the next one. Let's see, so I think this is the 5th one. So I think this one, personally, I think this one's the hardest one, because this one's mainly about luck. Because in order to do this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to aircraft, and there's gonna be a meteor, and you gotta get like a snowball or water balloon, and you gotta throw it at it. When am I going to get it? Yeah, so this is the hardest one. This is luck based, so. But yeah, I think that's why they made it towards if one person gets it, the whole server gets it. Dang it! Okay. Oh, really? Oh, got it? Okay.